Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to create DCO, or Dynamic Creative Optimization, in Bannernow. Let's assume we already have a banner set with all the required layouts, and our goal is to generate multiple versions of that banner set with different offers from the external data source. In this example, we have a banner set for a car dealership, where each banner displays a different offer for a specific vehicle. Let's start by creating a data table. Go back to Banner Sets and click Data at the top. Switch to Data Table and click Create. Let's now import a CSV file containing our data. As you can see, we have 5 different car offers. Each row includes a lease offer, a finance offer, and 2 visibility columns. These visibility columns will be used to dynamically show or hide elements in the banner based on their values. Here's how it works. If a cell is empty, the corresponding element will be hidden. If the value is set to 1, the element will be visible. We'll also add an image column and rename it to Image. Drag to upload images directly to the data table. If you already have image URLs, you can skip this step. The data table automatically uploads the images and converts them into links that can be used in the banner. Let's name this table Volkswagen Data Table and save it. Now that our data source is ready, we'll move to the Feed section and create a new feed connection. Bannernow supports multiple feed types, including Google Sheets, XML, and JSON formats. In our case, we'll use the data table we just created. Select it from the drop-down menu and click Proceed. In the Feed Connection window, select all the columns you want to use in your banner set. On the right side, you can preview the results. In our case, 5 car offers with all associated data. In the center, you'll see modifiers, which allow you to apply formulas or transformations to the data for more advanced use cases. Once everything is set, save the feed connection. Next, go back to the banner set and click here to connect it to the feed. Select the feed connection you just created and update the banner set. Your banner set is now connected to the data table, meaning any changes in the table will automatically update the banners. Now open the first banner size. Let's begin with the headline. Select a text element. Click the feed icon next to the text value. Choose the headline column from the data table. Next, connect the image. Select the image element. Click the feed icon. Choose the image column. Then connect the rest of the elements. Lease offer to lease offer column. Finance offer to finance offer column. Call to action button to call to action column. Next step is to configure conditional visibility. In this banner set, we have 2 groups. A group that displays lease-only offers, and a group that displays both lease and finance offers. Let's hide the second group for now. Click on the layer and connect it to the lease-only visible column. Set the visibility mode to feed loaded and feed item data not empty. This ensures that when the cell contains a value, for example 1, the group is shown. If the cell is empty, the group is hidden. Everything is set for this group. Let's move on to the second group. Repeat the same process. Connect it to the lease and finance visible column. Use the same visibility mode settings. Let's save the banner. To preview the output, go to the bottom panel and select Show All Rows. Choose the banner size you've prepared. As you can see, we now have 5 variations, 1 for each row in the data table. Some banners display only lease offers, while others display both lease and finance offers based on the visibility settings. For the smaller size, we'll use a different headline. Let's edit it. Select the headline text element. Click the feed icon. Instead of the full headline, we'll connect the headline small column. All other elements like image, offers, call to action, and visibility rules all are connected in the same way. As you can see that each size correctly displays all 5 data rows, and the 320 by 50 size has a shorter headline optimized for mobile. You can apply the same approach to additional sizes. For example, social media banners might require larger headlines or different copy. Simply add extra columns to the data table and connect them as needed. I've also connected the third banner size by following the same steps. We now have 3 banner sizes multiplied by 5 data rows and resulting in 15 unique banner variations created in just minutes. Now consider having hundreds of variations and dozens of sizes. Imagine how fast you'll be able to generate hundreds or even thousands of banners in just minutes with Banner.now. Thanks for watching.